Hey there! Check out these urban green glass canisters made from premium borosilicate glass with eco-friendly bamboo lids that are BPA and plastic-free. These airtight containers come in a 6-pack with 2 sizes, perfect for storing dry ingredients like pasta, rice, coffee, or snacks while keeping them fresh longer. The silicone ring on each bamboo lid ensures a tight seal, making them stackable and space-saving for your kitchen or workspace. Their clear, non-porous glass resists stains and odors, so your food stays fresh without any unwanted smells. Stylish and practical, these canisters also work great for organizing small accessories or spa products around your home. Designed for everyday use, they combine durability with a sleek look that fits any decor. If you have questions, Urban Green offers excellent customer service to support your lifetime use. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details on a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.